Hey guys, it's my birthday, big 22, pew pew. Anyway, we chilling, but check us out. Hey y'all, I'm back. So we just went to the mall, got a snack, ate some lunch. I'm gonna show y'all. I think I showed y'all in the previous clip what I ate for lunch. But right now we are at another mall. Hey y'all, so yeah, like I was saying, we're at a different mall. We're gonna get some ice cream. I just wanted to go to Sephora to get my little reward for my birthday present. Okay. Hey guys, back again. Got a balloon. 22 years old now, 22 years old now, 22 years old now, 22 years old now. Congratulations to you, congratulations to you, congratulations to you, congratulations to you. Well guys, that's a wrap. So we're getting ready for bed. I just want to thank everyone for the birthday wishes and pray that everyone has a blessed rest of the day and a good night's sleep. And we'll just catch up later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're making candy popcorn. And this is Mario Kart thing. So this is Luigi, Mario, and it's a little DIY. So the first thing we're gonna do is pop the popcorn, and then so after that we're gonna put the icing in the bowl, and then after that we are going to get this started. So first let's go pop the popcorn and then we're gonna come back. Okay, so the popcorn has popped, and now we're gonna put the icing in. Okay, so now that we have the popcorn in here, I'm gonna go get the icing and then we're gonna pour it all over and see what happens. Hey K3Ws, it's baby K's birthday. Don't mind me, my nail broke, but I'm sorry y'all, I didn't get a chance to record. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever or wherever you're watching this, whatever time zone. Hi guys, okay? So right now we're about to get started, setting up, and I just had to come in. I was ripping, I was running. I had to set this up, that. All right, so we at the location, and let's get this started before the party starts. So come on, y'all.
Can't control everything that comes your way.
Tailor made.
Okay, all right, you guys. Say one. Yeah. Congratulations. Let me put y'all onto this new ice cream spot. So we walk in, it's a cool, relaxing vibe. Let's get into these flavors right here. So your girl got the Brambleberry Crisp ice cream. Listen, it's like cereal mixed with some Brambleberry. Listen, it's top notch. It was the bomb with the little waffle cone. I don't know what y'all missing out on, but you gotta go to Jenny's and try this. So we went to this nice little taco spot. Love it, okay? Your girl got the street corn with the beef tacos and some chicken, okay? And this sauce I'm showing y'all, it's mild, but it's good. Hey y'all, it's Ken. Sent out some new videos. We celebrated birthdays, and now we're about to run some errands, but this is a little short vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's see what's going on, okay? Love y'all. Bye. So today I just went to Crumble, got the new flavor of the week. The strawberry cookie, I don't know if y'all can see it. It's a little glare, but it's the strawberry cookie. So let's see, because I haven't been to Crumble in a minute, but I want to try the new flavors since they stopped my favorite strawberry frosted. But let's see. I give it a cool 8 out of 10. I would recommend something different, but it's good. It's good. So the next cookie, I think it's the lemon cupcake cookie or lemon cookie. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but it's lemon. It's melted. So let's see what we work with. Okay. I mean, it's alright. I mean, if you like lemon, but it's okay. The next cookie we're going to try is the Shark Week cookie. And this one, let's see. Okay. I give it a 8.5 or 9 out of 10. Okay. Hey K3W, sorry I've been MIA, but I'm back. Today we went to the carnival, and let's get into some fun, okay? All right. Hey y'all, so it was a back to school carnival in the community. It was cool, it was nice. the moon bounce had too many people, and it was a lot going on. The food was good. It was crowded, but because we came early before it started, we got to do, you know, at least almost everything. Saw everything, not ate everything, but you know. Now we about to go and go to the market, and then after that probably go in. But it's a little short video. I just wanted to give y'all like the day-to-day about what goes on in baby K and I life. Not too in detail, but you know, like the little ripping and running, and yeah. But I gotta get more content. I don't know what y'all want to see from me. That's the thing, you know. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Mwah.